Welcome back. Let's take a look at the brand new C# Rebar schedule add-in for Excel. I'm starting with a clean slate using our text-only compact template. Data entry flows smoothly from left to right. Member name, steel type, diameter, bar mark, and quantities. Because I have the dialog picker enabled in my settings, clicking the shape cell pops up our visual library. I'll pick a shape and watch the grid. The exact dimension cells I need instantly highlight. With the data in, I don't need to manually add up the tonnage. One click on the project summary button, and the engine aggregates the entire workbook into a master bill of quantities. But what if your fixing team needs visual diagrams? I'll switch the template to graphic and the picker to drop down. Now, when I select a shape code, our new C# graphics engine mathematically draws the vector shape on the fly, directly inside the cell. No more clunky, copied and pasted pictures lagging your workbook. It's lightweight, incredibly fast, and built for modern detailing.